Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, who is that woman staring back at me? Maybe you catch your reflection and feel like you barely recognize yourself anymore. Trust me, you're not alone. If you're over 50 and it feels like your own body is working against you, I know exactly how you feel. So many women are quietly struggling with these changes, thinking they're the only ones. Maybe you've tried those so-called miracle pills, hoping for a quick fix, only to be disappointed again and again. Dropped a small fortune on gym memberships, thinking more sweat would mean more results, but nothing seems to stick. Or even braved those trendy cleanses that had you running to the bathroom more than the treadmill. You've tried it all, hoping for a breakthrough, and yet the scale barely budges. Your clothes don't fit the way they used to. Your energy, gone by lunchtime. It's like your body is speaking a new language you can't quite understand. Here's the truth most experts won't tell you. It's not about willpower or working harder. It's not your fault, and you're not lazy or undisciplined. It's because menopause resets your body's entire metabolic clock. Most diet and fitness plans, they're like putting the wrong fuel in your car. No matter how hard you try, your engine sputters out. Your body needs a different approach now, and the numbers back it up. 87% of women over 50 are following weight loss advice that actually makes hormonal imbalances worse. That's a staggering statistic, and it's no wonder so many of us feel stuck. That's why you might be feeling exhausted no matter how much you rest, waking up tired and dragging through the day. Gaining weight, even though you're eating clean, struggling with cravings, and feeling like your efforts just aren't paying off. Or riding an emotional roller coaster you never signed up for. Mood swings, irritability, and frustration can feel overwhelming. But I've got good news. Your body isn't broken. You're not destined to feel this way forever. In fact, it's trying to protect you. The real problem? Your natural fasting rhythm has been thrown off, and those generic fasting tips just don't work for women in menopause. Your body needs a plan that's made for this stage of life. What you need is a hormone-synchronized approach, a protocol that works with your changing body, not against it. No starvation, no obsessive calorie counting, and no more feeling deprived. And definitely no insane workouts. You don't have to punish your body to see results. Just simple, strategic timing that aligns with your hormonal needs. It's about working smarter, not harder. When I discovered this method, it changed everything. Studies show that women over 50 using a hormone-first fasting protocol get up to 400% better hormone balance than those stuck in diet land. That means more energy, better moods, and real, lasting results. Now, you might be saying, but I've tried fasting before. It made me cranky and tired. I get it. I've been there. But that's because those old-school fasting plans ignore what your body needs now. This system is different. It's designed for you, not for 20-somethings. Within a few days, women report more energy. They feel lighter, more focused, and even notice their mood lifting. By the end of week 1, better sleep. You wake up feeling refreshed, not groggy. And after a month, you actually see the changes. No calorie counting, no restrictive food lists, no pricey supplements, and no confusing rules. You start to feel like yourself again, maybe even better than before. Let me be real with you. I'm not a doctor. I'm a woman just like you. At 52, I felt like a stranger in my own skin. I dove deep into the science, tested everything on myself, and when I lost 23 pounds in 60 days, I shared it. I wanted other women to feel this transformation too. My sister lost 18. We cheered each other on, and it brought us closer than ever. Dozens of other women had the same breakthrough. The results kept coming, and the community grew stronger. That's why I created the Menopause Mastery Intermittent Fasting Blueprint. It's the first hormone-optimized system tailor-made for women over 50. You get a proven fasting protocol, energy restoration techniques, and a supportive community to cheer you on. Menopause-focused meal planning, mindset tools, and easy progress tracking. Everything you need, all in one place. And I want to make this a no-brainer. Most programs like this cost over $2,000, but I'm offering the entire Menopause Mastery Blueprint for just $197. I want every woman to have access to this life-changing system. If you join in the next 48 hours, you'll get $311 in bonuses, meal plans, mood rescue kits, printable fasting journals, and more. These extras are designed to make your journey even easier and more enjoyable. But this price disappears after 48 hours, or when we hit 100 members. Don't wait and miss out on this opportunity. This is your moment. You can keep trying what hasn't worked. Or you can join a system built for you, proven by science and real women's stories. Imagine how you'll feel a month from now if you start today. So take the leap. Click below to claim your Menopause Mastery Blueprint. Your future self will thank you, and you'll finally feel powerful, strong, and at home in your body again. You deserve to feel amazing in this new chapter of life. You're not broken. You're powerful. Let's prove it together. The best is yet to come. If after applying the program with commitment for 60 days, you don't experience more energy, improved mood, and better-fitting clothes, we'll issue a full refund. There are no games, just genuine results, backed by real effort. You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. Take action now and give your body the reset it deserves.